Hey, this is Darlene from Artemis Dog Training, and we're here at Home Depot. We're working with this little gal, Ivy, who tends to have some issues with excitability and being around new people and focus. So we want her to learn to calm down in these situations. So first off, we're going to go ahead and just walk her around the parking lot in a heel position. Let her get to everything that's going on and try to get her focus on Melanie. Go, Melanie. Let's go. And you can switch directions if you think she's not really focusing on you. I need to tighten up her a little.
Just walking in circles.
Yep. And just give her little tugs to, you know, when she's really looking around.
She's like running into me.
Yeah. She's like, needs to pay attention. It's just starting to walk her around like this gets the excitability down, and then we can proceed into more intense areas for her. You press pause. So here's Ivy and Melanie in Home Depot, and she's very distracted, but we're trying to keep focus on Melanie and walking at a pace. So this is a high distraction for her that will escalate her into jumping, barking, all this type of stuff. So we're trying to rule out all this nonsense, and I think she's doing pretty good.